What's up, YouTube? It is June 22nd. It's supposed to be day 4. It is 12:30 in the morning, and I had planned on having a more creative narrative video for y'all today. And it didn't happen. And I'm disappointed. Disappointed that I didn't get it together, but at the same time, it got me thinking about dealing with disappointment and why the fear of disappointment kept me from doing a lot of things in life, kept me from stepping out of my comfort zone so many times out of just fear. It's like I hate this feeling, right? But I've been practicing this thing where if I have a negative emotion, I think I talked about it previously on the challenge, but usually when I have negative emotions, I'm in a rush to get to the good feeling, or I'm just like, hey, nah, I don't like this. Let's fix it. It's got to go. But I don't give myself time to process. So this is me trying to process it. And I was reading somewhere that disappointment is grief in disguise. And it kind of tripped me out to think about it, because this situation, with me not getting the video together in time, like it's not that deep, right? It's not that deep. But it made me think about another situation where I was deeply disappointed and it made so much sense. Disappointment is just grief in disguise. So I had applied for this job here in the city. And I say here in the city, but I'm in Metro Detroit. So if you're from Detroit, you know what Metro Detroit means. If you're not from Michigan, that means outside of Detroit. Sidebar, if your address don't say Detroit, you don't rep Detroit, out of respect. So Metro. Anyway, it was in Detroit, downtown Detroit. And it was a video editor position. And it would have been life-changing for me. I would have been able to get into a better situation. I drive a 2003 Toyota RAV4. That is my baby. I love him. That's mine, and I'm going to stick beside him. But he's got yes, it's a he. He's got 216,000 miles on it, and I've had it since I purchased it in 2009. So, yeah. So getting a job that can put me in a position to get into something else when my RAV4 checks out on me, could have changed a lot of things, but they passed me up. And when I think about disappointment is just grief in disguise, where I was like, oh, wow, I'm grieving the life that I thought was going to come from the job. Because that job's not happening. And that really helped me understand my emotions, understand my feelings on a deeper level. And my battery's dying, so I'm going to have to wrap this up. And if this video just ends randomly, it's because my battery died and I'm not editing this. So, but I had to think about wow, I really thought that job was going to be the thing to change my life, that was going to be the door, to get things moving in the direction that I want, but it's not the only door. And I can let myself be disappointed. I can let myself grieve for that life that I thought I would have because of the job, but be grateful that God protected me from whatever it was, because I always pray. I say, God, if you don't want it for me, then I don't want it. Don't give it to me. So it was a no. So I don't want to get to preaching because, like I said, my battery dying and it's 12 in the morning. But disappointment is just grief in disguise. And when it comes to this video and the YouTube channel, it's just I'm disappointed that I didn't get it done today, but it's going to get done. Hopefully you'll have 2 creative videos in a row, but we'll see. So I'm going to wrap this up before my camera forces me to wrap it up. So as always, I thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. I'm so proud of you. Oh, it didn't die on me. Yay. Oh, I'm still rolling. Hot dog.